Hi everyone. Today we continue our lesson on the PBS5C blocks. First, let's quickly recap what we covered in a previous lesson. Let's open our project FCS, and here we got with the DR5. And in our blocks we edit some options. Input, yes, we changed the button action to 0 and change some attributes in switch attributes. All right, my friends, let's continue, and we will open the faceplate label editor. Let's close this and go to common, and here we must open mark defaults. Okay. And my friends, what is the operation mark builder? It's a central editor for default faceplate labels. For example, you can define the standard text like the start, stop for the button name, and parameter labels or operator messages. In short, it's a place to set label used across all faceplates automatically. And here we only assign the tag label with the name lock and change it color for yellow. Let's change it for and save it. We have no warnings and no error. And our next step is add the switch, and for this purpose we need to open the switch definition, and we go to the switch and switch builder and open switch builder. This builder we used for example, you read some logic for on-off button or behavior of interlock. In shortly, you can set the place to configuration the standard switch functions. And here we add tag names for simulating the control object, and it's our on tag, our off tag, the next one is the PV01, PV02, PV03. Next one is NV01, NV02, and NV03. Sorry. And let's save it. And here, my friends, we used the input signal. It's a process variable. When we write here PV, it's mean process value, show the actual state of the object. It's an example of lamp on off status, feedback from the equipment, and in V it's manipulated values or variable. You also can say the variable for both for PV and for MV. And it's when we send the command. For example, you send the command for turn on or turn off, or select some mode of our equipment. So let's close this one, and now we just need to link these tags to corresponding indicator and buttons in function block detail builder. And let's open our builder, and here open our detail stubs. And here we add our explanation tags. It's PV, PV01 dot v, PV02 dot v, and PV03 dot pv. And also our command is PV01 v, v N02 dot v, and MV03 dot pv. Okay, let's update. And let's check again our switches. Okay, we don't have any errors. Switch default, switch builder, PV, PV3, NV1, NV2, and NV3. And also one thing, my friends, I think we should also add the graded variable which we create in our switch to our editor, because I don't fully trust the simulator. So to make sure for our logic work correctly, let's add them. And functional block. Let's add PV01, PV02, PV03, MV01, MV02, and MV03. Select one and save our project. And that's all for today, my friends. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel and like the video if you enjoyed it. I wish you all the goods, and I wish you all likes, and I wish you good health. See you in the next lesson, my friends.